power. I'm gaining the knowledge. Uh-huh. Okay. I got the knowledge. This is messing with my brain a little. Uh-huh. I think I got the power. Yes, I got the power. I don't know why I'm saying this crazy. Okay, I'll stop talking. Okay, we got to the next level. We gotta beat this level. I think I was on the 9 count one. So I just need to move my mouse. Oh, down my nose. I got OCD. That picture frame. Those early stages. And I know if you jump through each side, it will get easier and like more better. So yeah. I think next episode, I think next video on that. I may be doing a Moonstop Planet one or a Club Penguin. Or I just may be doing another Roblox one. Or a Sonic video. We don't know yet. Because I have to see if I have time and if I have more time and if I already post something up for tomorrow. Or if you watching this now, it's already tomorrow. So for today, I can see if I really have some for tomorrow. If I have any plans for tomorrow. But by the time you're watching this, it's like the 12, 13, or 14. Okay. Anyway, I'm just gonna have the knowledge. Because I felt down at my butt. It's like, I got the power. Yeah, okay, so this one is kind of easy. It's kind of hard. Because, yeah, I think tomorrow, wait, I forgot if you're watching this today. If you're watching this today, today's tomorrow. So I'm thinking today is going to be a Roblox video. I mean, yeah, another Roblox video. Or Moonstop Play. And I have to see if anything new is on Moonstop Planet. Because if there's not, then I can't record literally anything. Because it does not make sense to record something and it's nothing new. Also, I may not record my best friend getting married. Because she says she don't want anything recorded. Because she subscribed to me. Or I may just block that video from her for a day. Then, hello. Then I may just block that video from her. And then she can see everything else, but not that video. Because you can actually block videos from people on Roblox. I mean, not Roblox, on YouTube. What is that? Hi guys. My phone is turning on. My best friend is calling me. That's why I'm not concentrating. And hopefully, well, anyways, I may do edit the video, and now I will stop talking. What? But anyways, I will stop talking now so I can concentrate on this, because this level is basically harder than you may think. But the 9 cat is harder because you have to keep jumping around and stuff like that. But wait, what? I think I died on that video. Oh, I know I died on that thing, but it just boosted me back. I can't believe people can't pass level 2, and I'm not saying that they can't, I'm just saying that can't believe he was on level 1 from 0 seconds, and level 1 is the easiest. It's like the easiest, because I'm lagging. No, because level 1 is actually the easiest, and number 2 1 is the easiest, because all you have to do is run and jump 1 time. Because it's like you have to figure out when to jump, and you have to wait 8 seconds actually before jumping. Because, yeah. And if my brothers had thing, they would have played with me, and I would have jumped forward a bit, and wait, I'm still on the second level, I don't know why. Okay, now we stop talking. Please comment down below what you want to play next. I hope you have a amazing day.